I've noticed a trait among the renowned and truly great, wonderful physicians that I've been privileged to meet. They listen, they answer their own mail, they pick up their own phone, and they have time. And that's really just hard to believe, but so it was when I met Dr. Koop. It was literally just writing a letter when I was in Australia, knowing that I was returning to the New York State Journal of Medicine. And I had read in a rather conservative magazine out of Oklahoma an interview with him. And meanwhile, every medical and health organization in the United States, the American Public Health Association, the American Medical Association, one and all were opposed to his nomination as Surgeon General by President Ronald Reagan. Koop had made his name in pediatric surgery. He had separated twins, but he was also a man of the church and a Mennonite, I believe, who was devoutly religious and had preached against abortion and had been a spokesperson for the anti-abortion movement. And this incurred the wrath of a lot of public health organizations. And Koop, in his testimony, in his hearing for the office, did say he was not going to use his office as a bully pulpit against abortion. That was not going to be his issue while Surgeon General. But that didn't seem to appease anyone. And although his nomination passed, he was clearly not going to be anyone's first choice to be the head of America's health team. But in this interview in the Oklahoma magazine, I read that he was very passionate about cigarette smoking and that this, he said, would be one of the things he wanted to do something more about. So knowing that I was returning to the United States, about to resign as editor of the Medical Journal of Australia and heading to the New York State Journal of Medicine, I wrote and asked if I could come and interview him on smoking, and got a letter back and saying, yes, by all means, this sounds like a good idea. I'd be happy to. Just write me, let me know when you'll be coming to Washington, and I'll make the time to meet with you. And true to his word, he did.